Okay, I really don't know why I keep putting my hair in these buns, but it's like the only thing I can do when it's wet. Not gonna do the whole intro thing because it's like weirding me out. It's like really awkward and I just want to get through this video. So this is my intro. I have to be at work at 11, so we're gonna try to put a little bit of makeup on. I'm gonna start off with my vitamin E oil. I put this on before I put makeup on every time. I hope y'all can hear me. I might have to make a voiceover. Vitamin E is so good for your skin and for your lips. I'm coming out with these lip glosses. Yeah, they're gonna be super hydrating. I can't wait for y'all to try them. And they're gonna be Glam by Cam. So I'm gonna take my baby skin. This stuff is like $6 at the really good for oily skin, which I have combo skin. I don't even have oily skin. I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty primer. And y'all, I know y'all be like, why she use Fenty Beauty all the time, but it truly and honestly is my favorite brand. Like, not just because I'm obsessed with Rihanna, because I am. I don't know a person who isn't. You know what I'm saying? A little touch up one too. Really just making sure your skin ain't dry. Like, the more moisturized your base is, the better your makeup is. Like, when my base is not the best, my makeup look like I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I am in shade 310. This is not the hydrating one. This is the first one. And my beauty blenders are dirty. I'll be right back. You know what? I totally forgot. I wanted to use my skin milk from ColourPop. It's the coconut one. If I can get it out. I have a damp beauty blender, and honestly, when I use my beauty blender to blend out my foundation, it's just so seamless. Like, I didn't even do my eyebrows, y'all. I'm just doing stuff right now. Gotta hurry up. This stuff smells so good. Oh my god. I love coconuts. I know that a lot of people don't like coconuts, but I really enjoy them. Y'all probably can't even hear me because this heater is on, but I'm not turning it off because I'm freaking anemic and I am fucking cold. And that is just bad. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And this is just to conceal, because I got really bad lines, bags, whatever you want to call these things. I'm though. I need to go get my freaking eyebrows done. What time is it? I'm gonna let them sit because I need that to like miracles. Y'all, so I had to skip over the eyebrow part, so I'm gonna just speed through this because I did my eyebrows really retarded and I don't want y'all to see it, so we just gonna skip right past this. I'm just gonna go in with this concealer brush and pat in the concealer. I like to do this with a brush and then go behind with a beauty blender just so I can get as much coverage as I can possibly get. because sis, her under eyes be dry. I'm just gonna go with the FENTY Beauty 310 concealer. A lot of people said they couldn't get the same shade and the same concealer, but I actually like my match, you know? And I like to take it up on my nose just because we trying to slim this thing, girl. This thing here thick. Thicker than a sneaker. You see I can't draw a straight line, right? I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is in shade Where's Walnut. I can't believe I'm sitting here talking on this thing right now. I'm so surprised. This is my most favorite thing to use for contour. And basically you're just making shadows so you look, I do it to make my face look like slimmer because I got a super fat face. So anywhere that makes my face look a little like snatched. I'm gonna do it. I'm about to be late for work. I need to stop playing. Let me hurry up. So with this, the key is to blend everything together at once. So you're gonna have to use both at the same time. I'm using Real Techniques 200 brush, and this is what I'm gonna use for the contour and my beauty blender that has the foundation on it. Key to blend out my highlight. I'll go in detail if y'all want a video about this, but I'm only gonna do it if you let me know you want me to do it. So comment below. Comment below. You see that? That's what my son said. You see that, mommy? You see that? Okay, and anywhere like the light's gonna hit on my forehead, I'm not gonna blend the contour into. So that's kind of like my guide to stop. That makes sense. You see how, I don't know. Yeah, I'll go into detail one day when I figure out the words. That makes sense. But I need to blend this out at the same time, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna go down my nose. And I'm blending it kind of into my eyebrow bone. Like the bone. Then I'm gonna go down the middle with my beauty blender. This, you gotta keep playing with it. So I gotta put my contour back, but still keep this. So I use the side where the foundation is to blend them both together. You get what I'm saying? And when you let your concealer sit, it kind of like builds the coverage, like it maximizes how much coverage you have under your eyes. And 34. Okay, so then I go on my beauty blender and I blend everything together so it looks even. And make sure everything is like together, sis. Okay, so I'm going in with the FENTY Beauty Banana Powder. Use this all the time. Okay, and I'll just pat it into my skin. I pat it, I don't like dust it on there because I don't really want to bake it because I just told y'all my eyes are like dry, so I don't bake it. I kind of like pat in my skin and then I dust it off. But I'm patting it in my skin with the same beauty blender I had the foundation on, because the finish is totally different. You see? Like, I love this. I love how matte it is. Like, this is some good ass powder, and I've had this powder for like a year and it's still not gone. It's like nowhere near gone. Cause the drugstore ones, they just, I don't know. They can't do what these do. Like, it's just not for me. I know it works for a lot of people, but it just does not work for me. How to cover HICKIE. Going in with the HOOLA caramel. And I do have to get in my hair because it just looks weird to me. Taking the Maxi Plus from RIMMEL London, also drugstore, and I take some out, tap off the excess. Now I'm just going to take off all of the powder, and this is my Ray brush in number 2. I'm gonna go with my BECCA Champagne Pop highlighter, and it's broke, so I can't show y'all. Sorry. And also go on my high points on my cheeks, so when I smile, you see? You see, mommy? My nose, and then I use my finger to do the tip of my nose. Put these on. I'm gonna be using the Morphe eyeliner. This is the Tarte mascara. I don't know what it's called.
Bruh.
I'll fix that. Going in my Cavalier lashes. I love these lashes. These are in the style Scorpio. And I'm using my Makeup Shack glue because it's so quick. Literally don't have to dry that long. I use my mirror down here. And I don't push it down, just sit it where I need it to go. And if I'm looking down, it's gonna be flat on the top. And this tool I got from Ulta, but and then my Wet n Wild coconut spray. And I'm also going with my Morphe setting mist. Okay. Now let's do the lips real quick. Use the Kylie Dose. I'm going with the Flower Crown from Morphe. Just do my lower lashes. This is the last thing. I always take this white from the Jaclyn Hill and put it on my inner corner. Okay, so that's it, y'all. This is the finished look. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. Let me know how you like it, if you don't like it. But yeah, I think I did good. I'm late and I'm probably about to get in trouble, so hope it was worth it. Bye, y'all.